Rainy Day Slug by Mary Pelnick Colborn. One rainy day, a slug left its garden for a walk in the wide, wide world. It went scrass, scrass, scrass through the tall green grass. Scuttle, scuttle, scuttle in a deep rain puddle. Splash, splash, splash up the wet window sash. Scrack, scrack, scrack into a tiny hidden crack. Scrape, scrape, scrape down the long pink drape. Scrug, scrug, scrug over the soft blue rug. Snore, snore, snore around the wide open door. Sidle, sidle, sidle across the cold white tile. Sable, sable, sable under a small oak table. Slime, slime, slime by old Father Time. Sled, sled, sled above the warm, cozy bed. Sneak, sneak, sneak against the clean, sweet cheek. Ah! Scurry, 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 out in a hurry. For a slug on a walk, one rainy day. The end.